And boom, here we are, people. We're at another car show. We have a nice example right here of an old Super Sport. 4-speed. Real nice motor done. Nice old Impala. Right next to that, we got a really nice worked Corvette. So as you can see, we have a little bit of everything here. An old Hurst Stoles. I bet you it's got the swivel buckets. A Regal over there. Tri-5 Chev. You got a Jeep there, an old Monte Carlo. The V6 version of one of these. Wow, haven't seen one of those in a minute. Got the 57 convertible over there. One of the new Ford Broncos. This is kind of neat. Haven't really walked up on one of these, but yeah, it's kind of neat. If that's what you're into. Got a Firebird, got a Camaro over there. Got a Dodge, Mustang, Charger. This over here. My parents had one of these, I believe a 72 back in the day. Nice red, white stripes. We got a trike over here. Viper over there. Nice street rod there. Little Bronco. And this is just one parking lot full. If we go across the way, there's many more. We have to take a walk. There's not even in this parking lot, it's in the parking lot across the street. Nice GT350 Mustang. No, people, this isn't mine, but there's a 97 Boxster here. Mine's a 99. A lot of these cars, though, you do see from going to all the car shows. Yeah.
You go past our house?
Well, I'm going to go walk across the street. But we're getting close to the music, so I'll probably cut this off so I don't get copyright. But give me a minute. I'll be back with you. Actually, I had to get this right before I left. Hopefully, I'll be able to talk over it. The old Dodge Dart. Love the color green with the stripes. Hopefully, that music won't copyright me. Quick little shot. That doesn't look so bad. So as we walk over here away from the music so we don't get copyright, we got a whole nother parking lot over here full of cars. Got a Mustang. Not really too hip on those lights, but those are kind of cool. Got a little bit of everything, as you can see. Nice Tri-5 wagon. Guys cleaning up. Seen that one before. An old Ford Fairlane. Love the wings on there. Holy tire. Got a little bit of everything here. Cool old car right there. Another Chevelle. Oh. Goodness, we might have to come over here. Look at that thing. Got a Vet. Little Charger. Check out the Chevelle. Oh my goodness. Whew. Big old nice huffer on it. Nice. Alright, peeps. That's what I do on my days off. Come to car shows and find them for you guys. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel.